Let me show you how to do this logo graphics design editing in CapCut in less than 1 minute. You need two backgrounds for this. First of all, head over to your phone browser and download these two backgrounds, plain white background and plain red background. Then after the download, you head over to your CapCut to do this. Okay, right here in CapCut, go ahead and start a new project. So click on create. First, go ahead and import the red background. When you import the background, because these two backgrounds are not of the same aspect ratio, scroll to the left and look for aspect ratio. Click on aspect ratio. Then click on 1:1. Then click on this grid here. Then still go ahead and select the background. Using your two fingers on the screen, go ahead and expand this background to fit to the screen. Then after fitting it to the screen, select it again. Go ahead and drag it to make it how long you want it to be. Let me drag it to make it like 10 seconds. After that, click on text to add your text. Let me go ahead and write something like UC Visuals Tutorials. Then after that, go ahead and click on fonts. Select Rubik. Then click on this grid here. Scroll to the left and look for lasting text. Click on lasting text to display this text throughout this clip. Then go ahead and export. So after exporting it, then you come back again to start a new project. Click on create again. This time around, go ahead and import the white background. So click on the white background, click on add. Still go ahead and scroll to the left and look for aspect ratio. Click on aspect ratio. Still select the same aspect ratio, which is 1:1. Then click on this grid here. Still go ahead and drag it to make it 10 seconds, which is the same length we made the first one. Alright, so still make this one 10 seconds again. Still go ahead and click on text to add your text. And still go ahead and write the same text we wrote on the first one, UC Visuals Tutorials. Then click on fonts. Go ahead and select the same font, which is Rubik. Go to styles. This time around, go ahead and make this text to be red in color. Click on red. Then click on this grid here. After that, still select your text and scroll to the left and look for lasting text again. Click on lasting text. Then the text has been displayed throughout this entire clip. Alright, then after that, go back again. Then go ahead and click on overlay. Add overlay. This time around, go to video. Go ahead and import this compound clip, this red clip we exported. Make sure it's starting at the same place with this particular clip you have here. Alright, so let the two of them start from the same level. Alright, then after that, still select your overlay clip. Using your two fingers on the screen, go ahead and expand this to fit to the screen. Once this entire text turns red, this is it, so it has been fitted to the screen. And after that, go ahead and select your overlay clip again. Scroll to the left and look for layer. Click on layer. Then come here and click on front. Then the white write-up has come in front, so click on this grid here. Then after that, go ahead and select your overlay clip, move it to the beginning, then go ahead and click on keyframe here, activate your keyframe. Then move to the left and look for mask. Click on mask. Go ahead and select this circle mask here. Using your two fingers on the screen, go ahead and make this circle to be small. Move it out of this write-up to start from the beginning of this write-up. Move your project small out of this previous keyframe, depending on how fast you want the animation to occur on your write-up. Then move it out of this previous keyframe. Go ahead and drag this circle and place it on any letter of your write-up that you want it to stop at before it shoots out. Move your clip a bit out of that previous keyframe again. Then using your two fingers on the screen, go ahead and expand it to shoot out. Then after expanding it, move it out of this keyframe again. Move it a bit far from these two keyframes. Then go ahead and resize it again. Reduce the size again. Then move it to the end of this write-up. After moving it to the end of this write-up, then go ahead and move your clip out of this keyframe. Then drag this circle. Then I want it to rest on this letter I here. Then when you move it on top of that letter I, let me still move it out again, depending on how you want your animation to be. Then let me still move it out a bit again. Drag this circle down so that it will bounce on this letter I and bounce up again. Then move it out again from this keyframe. Then drag it up. Then go ahead and click on this grid here. Then at the end, you should have something like this. Then you go ahead and add your sounds. So let me go ahead and click on audio here. Click on sound effects. Click on this search bar. Let me search for building. Click on this plus. Drag it to position it. Alright. You can still go ahead and add another sound effect at the beginning. Let me still go to sound effects. Let me search for action. An action sound effect to add here. Alright, then click on plus. Then at the end, you should have something like this. So that's it. Then you export your video. This is UC Visuals. Like, comment, and share.